Hello students, today we are going to do question number 3 of exercise 7.2, chapter number 7, cube and cube roots, class 8 math. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. It is given to us that ki 1331 perfect cube hai. Can you guess without factorization what is the cube root? And similarly we have to guess the cube roots of this 3 also. So let's start, and we have to do it by estimation. We have to guess it, so we have to do estimation method. So finding cube roots by estimation method. Solution. First one, we need to find out the cube root of 1331. So we have to find cube roots by estimation method. Finding cube roots by estimation method. So let's find out. There are 4 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions we'll do it by estimation method. So we know that estimation method, we have to take the pairs. First of all, there are 3 steps involved in it. So there are 3 steps. Let's start. 1, 3, 3, 1. Step 1. Step 1 kya hai? We have to make the group of 3 starting from the ones place. So this is first group. This is second group. There are 2 groups. So first group and this is second group. So after making groups, we must know that the cubes from 1 to 10. हमें 1 से 10 तक के सारे cubes, if we know, then we can do it easily this question. 1 cube, 2 cube is 8 and so on. Now step 2. For this, we have to write this first group, 331, we have written first group. Now see, this 331 ends with 1. ये 331 किससे end हो रहा है? 1 से end हो रहा है. And we know that 1 comes at the unit place of number only when its cube root ends with 1. 1 से ही होता है. और 11 का 1, 331 and so on. So it ends with 1 only. So what will be the ones place? Therefore, ones place, or you can write, first step, you can write the number 331 ends with 1. So its cube root ends in 1. Now step 3, we got the ones place. Therefore ones place or unit place, therefore ones place of the cube root is 1. Cube root is 1. Now step number 3. For step 3, we have to take the second group. So what is second group? Second group है हमारा 1 ही है. Second group देखो 1 है सिर्फ. And 1 lies between. This 1 lies between. 1 किस के बीच में lie करेगा? 1 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube and 2 cube. So 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So which is smaller? 1 only. Therefore, cube root of tens place. Therefore cube root at tens place. Tens place पे क्या cube root हो जाएगा? Cube root at tens place equals to 1. Now finally we can write, अब हम लिख सकते हैं finally, what will be the cube root of the given number? Therefore here I am writing here. Here I am writing the answer of this question. Therefore cube root of 1331, ones place पे कितना आया? 1. ये देखो ones place पे आया 1 और tens place पे भी कितना आया? 1. So 11. So next one we'll do now. 4913. Now let us guess all the 3 cube roots of these 3 numbers. So steps are same for every question. So what is the first step? There are 3 steps involved in it. Step 1. What is the first step? We have to make the groups. 4, 9, 1, 3. So this is first group. This is second group. This is first group. And this one is second group. Here also 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. We are doing together all with same steps. So this is first group and this one is second group. Now this one also, the step is same for every question. That means we have to make a group of 3. This is first group and this one is second group. After this step 1, we have to follow step number 2. So what is step 2? So let's write step 2. In step 2, we have to take the first group. So what is first group? 9, 1, 3. What is first group here? 167. And what is first group here? 768. We have to take the first group first. ये first group हमने ले लिया समय. Now, ones place we are doing in very easy manner. We must know the cubes from 1 to 10. Now here the number 913 ends with 3. Here 167 ends with 7 and 768 ends with 8. Now you must know the rules. आपको मालूम है. If one cube is there, the ends with 1. So here number 913. To search the number 913 means 3. So here it is 3. So 3, तो square root will ends with 7. अगर 3 है तो उसका square root किस में end होगा? 7 में. अब 7 देखो. अगर 7 है लास्ट में तो उसका square root 3 में end हो रहा है. 7 है तो 3 में. और last one 8 वाला. For 8 it ends in 2. So write ones place of square root. Ones place of square root is here 3. So 3 will end with 7. So here it is 7. Here 7 is there. So for 7 देखो सर्च करो. 7 के लिए क्या है? 3. So here it is 3. And for 8 का सर्च करो. 8 का कितना है? 2. So these are the ones place of square root of the given number. Now we comes to the step number 3. Step number 3 is we have to write the second group. So what is the second group here? 4. What is the second group here? 12. And what is the second group here? 32. Now we have to find out the 4 lies between which two numbers. अब देखो 4 किस numbers के बीच में है? 1 और 8 के बीच में. So write 4 lies between 1 and 8. That means 1 cube and 2 cube. Now see 12. So 12 lies between 8 and 27. So write 8 and 27. That means 2 cube and 3 cube. And last is 32. So see 32 lies between 27 and 64. 27 and 64. So 27 cube and 27 and 64. So write 3 cube and 4 cube. Now the tens place of the square root. Therefore tens place क्या हो जाएगी square root की? Therefore write tens place of the square root. Here. For here always take the smaller one. What is that? 1. What is the smaller one? 2. And what is smaller one? 3. Therefore finally square root of. Therefore we can write square roots. So let's write therefore square root of cube root. But we are finding cube root, तो मिस्टेक से स्क्वायर लिख दिया, तो ये क्यूब रूट होना चाहिए और यहाँ भी कितना होना चाहिए? क्यूब रूट. सो टेंस प्लेस ऑफ द क्यूब रूट इज 1, 2 and 3. सो फाइनली देयरफॉर राइट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 4913. तो हमारे पास रिजल्ट आ गया क्यूब रूट का 4913 का. सो व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट वन? वंस प्लेस पे कितना है? 7 और टेंस प्लेस पे कितना है हमारा? 1. तो 17 is the cube root of first one. And what will be the cube root of 1 to 167? सेकेंड वाले का क्या है हमारा? वंस प्लेस पे क्या है इसका? 3 और टेंस प्लेस पे है इसके 2. सो 23. एंड द लास्ट वन क्यूब रूट ऑफ 32768. वंस प्लेस पे क्या है हमारा? 2 और टेंस प्लेस पे क्या है हमारा 3. सो दिस आर द क्यूब रूट्स ऑफ 4913, 12167 and 32768. So I hope you understood the estimation method. There are 3 steps involved in it. First group, second group. Then after that you have to find out the cubes which ends with these numbers 1 to 10 you must remember. And the third one you have to find out the number lies between which two numbers and you have to take the smaller one always. So here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3. So we got square roots. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.